Jushowski.
Please, ito.
Kasi naka-construction.
40 na ka mag-35 ka pa.
25.
Morning after.
May titik ko ba?
Yeah, chugay kay cabin.
Wait lang man.
It's raining outside. It's raining in Smith River. It's the day after. We're trying to go for a run here in front of the beach. This is our cabin right there. Full hazard na. Stifian to, nakakalalim. Cabin. Mga weatherman. Kami no nani tabatso eh. Tabatso. Full hazard to ya, kalakalan. Take her. Holy moly. There it is. Woo. You can see the cabins from here. Punayin na ako na. Woo! Yeah! To the 2-minute mark. Not a lot of rain, just a bit of drizzle. And it's cold. 49 degrees. Woo! Got the beach all to myself. Nice view. Here we go. I'm using my Brooks Cascadia. I held off in using my A6 today, the Double Blast 5, because I figured I'm gonna be on the beach. Gotta wear the Gore-Tex Brooks Cascadia 17. Woo! Love it. Oh wow. Oh, is that a stingray? Wait. Wow. Treacherous waters, bro. Awan eh. So far? So far? Wait. Delikado yung tatalakat kita eh. Lalaki. Malabot yun. Pinatalakat kita mo ito dati yan eh. Alin. Balik kita ka. Top of this rock, it's a big rock. try these rocks over here. I know. See cucumbers. Right there. Crazy stuff, bro. Love it.
Hindi pa, oh?
Okay, look at this nice, beautiful stones. Okay, head back to the cabins. There they are. Right there. Woo! Nice, 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 nice. It's a nice time here. It's raining, yeah, but still. Can't deny it's a beautiful beach. Oh, muna ka pre.
Punta ka din.
Muna ka, sige. Raining, but I'm on a hot tub. So after that long run, we just walked on the beach, got into the hot tub, and now we're having breakfast. 10:30 in the morning, baby. Torta. No. Woo.
Rafi?
Mother-daughter,
Can I
again,
sit?
not looking. Yeah! There's each boy! Woo!
Tanging ikaw lamang ang sa'king nalaman.
Hey, Pogi, kamo mo yung plus.
Australian guy.
Adults are going out. We're exploring this community area. Going.
Kaya mo kakawin sa bayan.
Kaya naman kaya katamong garetang malati, sabi na, kaya ka makikay ka rin.
Wait, sword, yeah.
Okay. Rainy Sunday afternoon. We just entered Oregon.
Oregon.
Yeah, we're Oregon. We're trying to.
I can't wait for Tillamook tomorrow.
We're trying to explore what day we have, given that it's rainy. Oh, yung kaya katang kay pre, oh. Viper. I know, sabi ko na yun. Kailangan yun. Brookings, Oregon. Still stormy. A little bit of gusts, some winds. And you can see on the left would be some haystacks, some rock. Oregon. Hey, may ito ah. Natural bridges. Ano ba yung pasokluan nyo ah? Oh my god, look at that. Shot. Dapat natin ang titik banda sakyan tayo.
Para saan?
Okay.
na natin. Siyempre, pagkape. Ay, kailangan may mayaman. Siyempre, lalaki.
Lalaki yun. Lalaki yan. Alya pa ba yun? Mga jacket siya to.
O, sige, coconut.
Ikay, i-ali ya bisa ka reta ka birthday cake ka.
Hindi.
Ah, may mga ano yun.
Mengo,
Hindi ka na niburi mo.
koko mo. Coconut eh.
Birthday
Ipeng ating matcha kay matcha.
brownie batter or reta birthday cake.
Ano na ko?
Ay, babali nga mo dito eh.
It's gonna live for like
Raging
2 or
waters.
3 weeks at a time.
Of course, it
Dutch
should stay
brothers.
longer.
Thank you, man.
You guys enjoy your trip?
Yeah, we're headed to Tillamook and then Portland.
Nice. There you go. Just for fun or?
Just for fun. We haven't been. So
First time doing the coast?
spring breakers. Yeah, first time doing the coast.
Nice. Are you guys philo?
Yes,
Yeah.
Are
you
you?
are.
No, I'm not, but you guys. No, I know.
Right?
I'm half Korean, half Laos.
Ah.
I like it.
Checking out some souvenirs over here at Fred Meyer's store, Brookings, Oregon.
Mr. Crab, wala pa mo yung...
Pwede pre, reta pa yung paling.
Ayun ang flask. I can stay here all day. It's a stormy day, but just like that view.
Pwede mo na ako. Sulit.
Anak na rin ka tayo ng sulib niya.
Now that you feel
dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. I can see the pain written in your eyes. All you've ever meant to my life. Won't you dare? I don't wanna lead you on.